Yo, Spencer here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build your own Chrome extension using ChatGPT by OpenAI. If you take a look at my screen real quick, in this example I built a buddy of mine, Ben Tossel, a Chrome extension. You can actually see it right up here in the corner, the Ben's Bytes Chrome extension. And in the video following this little clip, this little hype clip if you will, I break down exactly how to do it in my thought process as doing it. So let's jump right in. Enjoy. What up, anyone who might be watching this? My name is Spencer, and recently I built a Chrome extension entirely using ChatGPT to write the code. I posted it on Twitter. The extension is actually this extension right here. It's called Easy Paste. You can find it live on the Chrome Web Store. It basically is a Chrome extension that adds a button to the submenu or context menu of Chrome. What that basically means is we added another cut and paste button. So if you come here to Google and you want to cut and paste, for example, a Calendly link, we built this little app that allows you to paste whatever you want in here. And so posted this on Twitter, and my buddy Ben Tossel hit me up in the DMs and said he would love to see a video or understand what prompts I used to build the Chrome extension. So in this video, hopefully it doesn't go too long, I'm going to show you how to build a Chrome extension using ChatGPT. So let's jump right in. So first things first, we need a Chrome extension. We can probably start off with ChatGPT just 3.5 because we get a couple extra requests in here. And what we're going to say is build me a Chrome extension with a pop-up. Build me a Chrome extension that when SEO selected shows a pop-up window. Check this out. Please make sure the Chrome extension uses Manifest version 3. And there we go. So, just for a little bit of context, I own two software companies. One of them has over 100 Chrome extensions under management, and then the other one is a screen share tool. And so I do have a little bit of context on how to build Chrome extensions, but from right in here, this just explained exactly how to build a Chrome extension. Create a new folder for your extension. So we're gonna pop this open. I'm on my other screen right now. I'll just go to the downloads menu. We're gonna say new folder, and we're gonna call this Ben's Bytes. We'll go ahead and slide this over here. Ben's Bytes. So we pop this open, Ben's Bytes. Now we have the folder. Inside the folder, it's asking for 3 files: a manifest file, a pop-up file, HTML pop-up file, and a JavaScript, it looks like. So to do that, we're just gonna check this out, open up Notepad, because we're hardcore coders over here, and we're going to open the manifest JSON file and add the following code. We're going to copy this, coming back into our new file in Notepad here. Check this out. Paste, file, save as. We're going to call this manifest .json, I think it was. Is that what it said? And we're going to, since it's a Notepad, we'll click downloads, Ben's Bytes, because that's the folder that we created. And we're going to click save. So that's the first one. First one done. Manifest JSON file. I'm going to move a little bit quicker just because I've been through this with a recent Chrome extension that I just made. And so now it says build a popup.html file. It explains what's happening in the manifest if you want to read it. Popup HTML. We're going to click copy. Right? We're going to click in here. We're going to try and do a new one. We're going to click paste. We're going to click file, save as. Ben's Bytes, we're gonna call this one popup.html. Hopefully none of this is confusing. I'm sure some of it is just because, you know, I don't know. And then the third menu is popup.js, and this basically, if again, I'm not a coder, but I think what this is saying is popup loaded. I don't really know what that means. So we're gonna copy this. Again, I'm not a coder. I just am I think I'm good at asking this to do a ton of different prompts. So we're gonna come in here and click save as. This one was called popup.js. We don't want it as a text file. If you're an actual developer watching this, I want to apologize because I don't know anything. I know writing code in Notepad is insane. I don't know what I'm looking at. I'm just cutting it. I'm just a cut and paste guy. So we're gonna close that and check this out. Now we have a Chrome extension. That easy. It really is that easy. We just have this folder called Ben's Bytes with 3 things in here. Reading these directions, open up Chrome and go to the extensions in the address bar. So check this out. We're gonna click Chrome. We're gonna click Manage Extensions. This will probably tell us enable developer mode. Coming into extensions, developer mode is on. Okay, click unload package. I'm gonna show you a little hack here. You don't have to click unload package. You can actually just drag and drop your file in here. So here's the folder of Ben's Bytes right here with our 3 things that we just created. We're just gonna drag this and drop it, and boom. Now we have a Chrome extension that just got installed, and it's gonna be called My Chrome Extension, because if you look at the code, this thing named it My Chrome Extension version 1. And so now we've added it. Click up, unload. Your extension is now loaded, and you should be able to see the extensions page. Click the extension, and icon pop-up window will appear. Ready? Here we go. Boom! There we go. Ben's Bytes version 1. We're there. All right, check this out. Now we're gonna have some fun. Here's what I want to do. Let's do this. Here's Ben's website, Ben's Bytes website. We're gonna go ahead, and this is where you can subscribe to his newsletter. So we're gonna go ahead and copy this, and check this out. Please add this website. I don't know why I'm a terrible typer. This website, we're gonna go ahead and put brackets in it. There we go. As an iframe inside the pop-up. Code. Alrighty, so looking at this, it's not ethical to reproduce entire sets of iframe without the website's permission, and also may be against terms of service. Alright. Instead, I can provide you an example of how to display a different website in an iframe with your pop-up. Here's how you can modify. Okay, so they won't do it for us, but we can do it ourselves. So it says modify the popup.html to display the website in an iframe. So check this out. Now I'm going to click copy. We're going to come back into the Ben's Bytes folder here, pop up, open with Notepad because we're not coders. And we're going to paste this in here. Now it has the iframe, but it says example.com. That's ridiculous. So we're going to add Ben, we're going to add your stuff in here if you're watching this. We're going to say boom. 100% is, let's just call it 400 by 400. 100% I think would be the whole screen. I'm not totally sure. So check this out. I just hit Control S, which should save this. We're going to go ahead and hide this. Come back to the extension, and we're going to click refresh. Boom. And now, boom. Now you can subscribe to Ben's Bytes right here inside of the Chrome extension. How freaking great is that? Now that I'm looking at this, Ben, I love your little icon here, so we're gonna steal it. Save image as, sure, downloads, boom. Oh, I should have saved it into the Chrome extension. Let's do this. We're gonna save it inside of Ben's Bytes, and I'm gonna call, oh, it's an ANV file? Ben, what are you doing to me here, bud? Save as Ben's Bytes. We're gonna call this icon. Can we change the file, you think? What if I force the file? I don't know if this will work. PNG. Let's see if I just broke something. Can I click this and it opens as a PNG? No, that's broken. It opened in a different screen. So we'll delete that. Dang it, Ben. I don't even know what an ANV file is. You want to see some hacky stuff since everything we're doing is hacky? Watch this. We're going to grab a snippet of this because I'm more lazy. We're going to grab that. Thanks for the hacky logo, Ben. You can email me an actual logo when we're done and we'll get this updated. We're going to say screenshot. We'll just save that. We're going to come in here to Pixel Editor open. We're going to do download, screenshot. We're going to use this magic snipping tool to grab the outside of this. We're going to click delete, page, trim, boom, boom, deselect. We need to deselect. How do you deselect? Oh, we have deselected. All right, check this out. We have that. Now we need to save it. Save as transparent PNG. We just want this to come into downloads. Ben's Bytes. By the way, I appreciate anyone who's still hanging in. What are we at? 11 minutes? Golly. Icon. Save. Boom. All right. Get that off the screen. So now, if we come up here into this, I don't know what I would type for this. How about this? How can I change the icon of the Chrome extension? See, look at this. It rewrites it. Okay, so looking at this, it's basically telling us to add this icons to the manifest. I've done this a bunch of times. If you were to read through this, it wants you to do different sizes. We're not gonna do different sizes just because we're lazy, but it says open up manifest and add or modify the icon. So we're gonna click copy here. We're gonna come into Ben's Bytes Chrome extension. Here's the manifest. And it wants us to add like a gazillion different icons. Where is it at? Icons. All right, so check this out. We're gonna click enter, we're gonna click icons, and that looks ugly code-wise, so what we're gonna do is try and line it up. I think this needs a comma, and the reason I say I think it needs a comma is because I've, again, done this a bazillion times. I've even uploaded this and be like, does this look good? Which you can do that as well. You can copy this, paste, and copy this and say, does this look, actually let's do that. Look at that, so we did it right. But if you ever have an error message or something doesn't work, you can actually go in here and just post the error message. And we'll likely end up showing that because I'm gonna try and break some of this stuff. Also, if you noticed, we just called ours icon.png. So I'm gonna edit some of these because I don't have an icon named icon16. And they put it in the icons folder, which we also don't have. So we're just gonna call this icon, 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 icon. Oh man, I hope somebody's not watching this. The way I'm doing this gives me anxiety. Boom, 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 boom. Click save. And then we're gonna come back over to this extension. We're gonna refresh it, and boom, it pulled the icon. Now we have Ben Bytes Chrome extension, and it says my Chrome extension. We don't want that. We don't want that. So we're gonna open this up inside of the manifest. We're gonna change this to Ben's Bytes. Ben's Bytes extension. We're gonna change the name to just say we'll just click save on that, and then we'll drop this, drop that, we'll refresh, boom. Now Ben's Bytes extension 1.0 right up here, and boom. Look at that, now you can subscribe right in there. This isn't good enough for me. This is neat, but it's not neat enough. First off, I don't like the hello world. And so just from playing around, I can tell you that this is an HTML pop-up, and we only have one HTML file in here. Again, and so this says hello world right here. We're gonna just delete that. We don't like that. Click save, and boom, close it. Boom, boom, boom. We'll refresh it, and now we're iframing Ben's Bytes right in here perfectly. Beautiful, Ben. This is looking good, bud. So the problem is this Chrome extension has no function as of right now. So let's see if we can add a function in here that really kind of ups the game. And check this out. So this is something I do all the time to train the chat. So watch this, because we made some changes that chat doesn't know about, like the icons, all of these texts. We made some manual changes ourselves. The tool still thinks we're using, we're right up there, whatever existing code is there. So I'm gonna teach it what the updated code is. So check this out. Here is the updated extension code. Manifest. Popup.html. Popup.js. Now what I'm actually gonna do here is just add the code in here so ChatGPT has it on record, like it can see it. So, we're gonna come in here, Notepad. This is the new manifest for Ben's Bytes. We're gonna copy that. Boom, manifest, boom, right here. And then what we'll do is we'll come in here and we'll grab the pop-up. This is the JavaScript one. Again, I don't even have a JavaScript code reader, so we're just, it's getting rough. We're gonna copy that. That's the JS one, which is down here. And then the last one was the HTML, so we'll open that. It obviously doesn't need the icon, although I think ChatGPT 4 can read icons. Boom. And so we're just gonna paste this, so it just has the updated code. And so watch this. I think what's gonna happen is it'll explain us what the Chrome extension does. Updated extension code looks good. iframe, da-da-da. All right, so check this out. This is what's gonna be interesting. Okay, I have an idea for this that I think would be interesting. Would it be build a Google notification that appears every time I had to stop talking, but this is Ben. Oh wow, I posted about that yesterday. Michael copying me. I'm gonna grab this. Build a Google notification that every time tweets. So build a Chrome notification that appears every time Ben Tossel tweets in real time. Ben Tossel, case, Twitter API, look at this. Look at this. I've never done this. So, this is cool. All right, and I think we're done. This is gonna be fun. All right, so here are the steps to create the notification. Create a Twitter developer account and create a new Twitter app to obtain the necessary API tokens. You can follow the instructions to Twitter development. In the Twitter API, set up a real-time stream connection, use status filter, follow, okay? I don't really know what I'm looking at here. Replace this with the Twitter username. Oh, I can do that. And use a tool like Twitter ID to find the user ID of a Twitter user. I don't really know what that means. In your Google Chrome extension, use Chrome notifications to create a method to display the tweet every time a new tweet is received. Here's an example of how to use that method. Okay, I don't know where to put this, so we're gonna have to ask that question. In the background script of your Chrome extension, use Chrome runtime. So we don't have a background script. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna straight up say, please add the above code to our existing Chrome extension. Again, I'm not that smart, right? So now it's saying, oh, you don't have a background JS. You have to create one. Look at this. And so now what it's doing is it's creating the new manifest. So we've seen that before. Those are the icons. It looks like it messed it up, but hopefully not. Look at that. And now it's done. Oh, that's rather easy. Certainly, here's how to modify the existing extension with the code. Open the extension directory and create a new file named background.js. So we're going to open this. Let's just click the manifest because we're in a new one. Background.js, it said. Background.js. We're going to copy this code. Then we're going to be following your tweets any minute now. We're going to click this. Here we go. Paste. File, save as, say if there was a way to save it saying I don't know what I'm doing. Back, JS, that looks good. Save, boom, that was easy. Man, I'm such a good coder. I hope you're laughing with me. Okay, this code establishes a connection using fetch method and listens to the tweets using connected method. When a new tweet is received and checks to see if this, be sure to replace your Twitter API token here with the actual token. Modify the manifest. Okay, we can do that. Boom, manifest. Remember we had it open right here. It says modify. Does it just give us all the code? Sure does. Boom. It doesn't. I'm concerned because normally when it's all green and white, that normally means something's broken. Hopefully it's not. Reload the extension. Okay, so I'm gonna stop the video here. I'm gonna go get and create a Twitter API token. And I'm gonna do that offline because I don't know how hard this is gonna be. And then I'll come back in here and explain it if it's easy. So we're gonna take a pause right now and jump right back into it. Well, I have some bad news. Twitter did not let us in. It looks like they're asking us to hashtag application received so they can speed up the process. But I guess Twitter doesn't just open up their APIs to everybody, which is unfortunate. I don't know if they'll let us in or not. I probably didn't put a very good use case in front of them. I said I was a student with no dev experience or close to no dev experience. Long story short, they have you apply for access to a Twitter API. which kind of sucks. You know, things are changing at Twitter right now, so I'm not surprised. So let's do this in our sad voice. We can set up the rest of this. Let's come into Twitter ID here. We'll grab good old Ben here. What's going on, Ben? Nice to see you again. Boom. Convert. What is that? What is this? Twitter ID, username, career type. Do I need to get rid of that? Connection error. Somebody's making some money off of Google pay-per-click on this. Nice. Well, I think maybe we can just put the at Ben. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it pre-filled it all. New tweet from Ben. Dang, man, all we need now. All we need now is the token. Well, this is as far as I can take it for now. Ben, if you have any questions, or if anyone who's watching this has any questions, we've got a half-baked Chrome extension that basically pulls up Ben's Bytes, allows you to subscribe. My idea for this extension was for it to also notify you when Ben tweets about AI stuff. I think that would be a pretty sweet app. And a good use case and example of using ChatGPT. What's interesting about this is we did all this in GPT-3. I typically don't even move into GPT-4 until like it breaks down. But long story short, just a bunch of back and forth questions, and you can get practically anything accomplished within this tool. You can build almost anything. Anyways, that's all I got for now. I'll shoot over this video, and if I get access, we'll finish the project and ship it, and you can use it. But until then, we'll stop for now.